Hello, I'm Kučys here, Celje striker, and with me is Dragane from A2S, and we will gonna surprise one fan with experience of driving with me to the stadium here behind us. And Dragane, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's go.
Let's go. Professional. It's pretty good. I think I can see that it's brand new. It's comfortable to sit here. So yeah, we are like 5 minutes away from meeting a fan. I'm excited to meet him. I'm really glad that I have opportunity to meet with him, and yeah, stay tuned. Dobar dan. Ciao, ciao. Armandasa, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We'll get used to it.
Also big fans.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hello, hello, hello. You're excited for the game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very.
Very. What is your favorite part in the game? What you like about Celje, about football club?
And when you're attacking.
When we're attacking, okay. It's important game, yeah?
Yeah. But we win the first game.
Yeah, it was intense game, but we managed to take the win there and take the 3 points. And I hope today we will take the same amount of points and have a good atmosphere in the stadium.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be in the game on Thursday or no?
Yeah.
You will come?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Good. How do you like this car? You like?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's good, yeah? It's not bad. I have a little surprise for you. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the driving with me to the stadium.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Selam ya Saç.